come to the southern colonies because we got lots of land, lots of fertile soil, and you can buy slaves. Wow! Lots of land for you to build a huge house and have a huge plantation. Lots of good rich soil for you to farm on. You can grow tobacco, cotton, rice, and indigo, and you can manufacture wood products. If you're too lazy to do your own work, you can get slaves to do it for you, or you can even get indentured servants. Some of our great characteristics for the southern region are harbors, the Appalachian Mountains, and last but not least, rivers. The southern colonies got livestock from the mid-Atlantic regions and metal tools to farm from the New England colonies. The southern colony states were separated into counties.